Sorry about the jumping around on the camera there. Just getting it set up, but I had to hurry up and get the recording going because it's the light energy on the sun was dimmed down by the clouds around it, and I gotta zoom out a little bit. So that's a nice picture of the sun right there. That's not the moon or some sort of other object, but the actual sun itself. And we can zoom in on it just a tad bit more. The thing's taking up the whole viewfinder, but that's the entire, that white thing right there on the camera, that's the sun. Let's go ahead and zoom back out because the clouds are not obscuring the sun that good right now. Okay, so what's going on there is that the sun is a lot closer in our atmosphere, and it's literally right there in the sky with the clouds around it. And the way I know that is because I'm standing right here recording it. And if you go get your own camera equipment out, whether it be a cell phone or some sort of camera with it that can take HD photos like this, you'll be able to zoom in on the sun yourself when the geoengineering material is around the sun like this. You may think this is all real clouds, but it's not. It's the geoengineering material that folks have a patent on, and they spray it from airplanes. But it's just something I've been following for the last couple of years.